This is the main part of the tree. The main function of the leaf is photosynthesis. Flower. It is the reproductive part of the plant. Next part is tap roots, supporting the tree in the ground. Understand, my students?
Yes, ma'am.
We want to discuss about the coming Inter-Zone quiz competition. You can select the efficient students for attending the quiz competition.
Yes, ma'am. We can consider our Anandan. He is brilliant and efficient.
Now time is over. We can discuss it tomorrow.
Oh, you returned, huh?
Ah. Oh, daily only this soup, Mom.
My sweet darling, no, you have to eat little, okay?
Mom, we have competition in our school.
Very good. Then the prize goes only to this mummy's darling. Have little food, dear. Have it, dear.
Mom, today also they call me cop scatter.
Anand?
What, Mom?
Anand, are you not going to tuition today?
Yeah, going, Mom.
Have it. Give it to your master.
Bye, Mom.
Anand, go carefully.
Yes, Mom. Sir? 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 Sir?
Why so late today? Tell me, what are the news at your school, dear?
I taught about the plants which you taught me yesterday in the class, sir.
Very good. By studying, you should become a great person in your life.
I have inter-school competition, sir.
So what? You should prepare for that well.
But, sir,
Hmm? Why? A but in your thought?
will you come to school with me, sir?
For what?
They are asking me to bring my father.
So what? You take your father to the school.
No, sir, no.
Mother, father, teacher are real gods.
I don't like my father. All will make fun of me.
Sarasu? Where are you gone?
Oh, my sweetheart.
Keep quiet. Hey, your madam is coming. She doesn't like me at all.
Oh my God. Oh God. Let me escape.
Where is your master?
Sir, master. Master. Where are you, master?
What is all this? What you are seeing here?
Che. No. Don't do all that. Come on.
What is all this?
Yeah, when you go, you take this rice also along with you. Did your son go to school?
Yeah, he gone.
Make some hot water for me to bathe. I've got severe body ache. Hey, you donkey, dig it properly, man.
Sir,
Yeah. What are you doing here?
look here. I fell down in the plantain field.
Oh.
came to wash off this dirt.
How did you fall?
That shaker and owner has scared me.
Why?
I took honey from his plantain tree.
If you try to steal others' property, this will happen. You washed, right? Go fast. Otherwise, Manton will not allow you inside. Go.
To see that incidents, all the people in the village attended there. We are also kids in that crowd. There was a tree which is going to fall. It was a very big and tall tree. If we go long and look at the tree, the head will be very big, and from down if we look at the tree, it feels just like touching the sky. It was really amazing to look at the tree. It has so many branches which was spread all around. At any cost, the tree will not fall down because it is very strong. It is just like a crown for the whole village. So every people in that village used to come and stand there. It is not that much famous, but even then people come near to the tree and get relaxed for a while. Under the tree, people will be very happy and peaceful. The village is very lucky to have
After my death, don't send our son for the same traditional job. When I see him studying, I get the feeling that all our struggles are going to be paid for.
I kept hot water to take bath. Go and take it.
Under the tree, people will be very happy.
Hey, sweetheart. Sweetheart.
Oh, don't be in a hurry. Let me keep all this in order.
Oh, do whatever you're doing.
Did your master go?
Hmm.
Give me whatever you got today. I have to pay the money lender.
I came to ask you the money back what I paid you yesterday.
Oh, I bought stock for the shop with that money.
In that case, I think I'll be starving today.
Is it enough I keep your hunger away? Take it. Is it okay for today? Listen, come back fast.
Then what?
Come and sit. I'll save you food.
Okay. Yeah, come on.
Why are you doing like this?
I don't like this, father. I'm saying, I don't like this,
Just shut
father.
your mouth.
No, don't hit him. He's a small boy.
Did you hear what your father saying? Do you know how your father is loving you? Huh?
I'm scared of my father.
Why you're scared? He is very gentle, no? Hmm?
Do you know, Mummy? Because of my father, how much I am insulted? All are calling me as copper scatter.
It's okay, my son. Come on, have it. I will serve you.
I don't
I'm
want.
saving, have it, dear.
Don't worry. He will understand when he grows up. I want him to study well, and that's all.
Even though whatever he says,
That's okay.
not that. He told me something. He asked me he want to take master to the school as a father. We have to pay the fees for Anand.
The month of Karkida has begun. All the old ones will start coming in.
Let us hope.
As he is growing, the expenses are increasing.
Everything will be all right.
How? Yeah, let's face it as it comes.
We are forced to come here since there is no water in our
Oh,
wells.
is it so? Here comes an ogler.
Look at him. Shit. Come, we'll go.
He stopped the bike to see you only.
Just get lost, no? I thought there won't be anyone in the bathing lab.
Yeah.
She is always seen here and a lot of clothes as
Did
well.
you see how he is looking at you? Hey, come fast and wash your clothes very fast, okay?
Take the soap.
Hey, come on, move. You go and wash that side.
Cha. Oh. So all of you here with your baggers really all came to trouble us.
When the sun rises, our wells get dry.
Oi, get lost everyone here. All are shameless fellows. These two belong to others. If one of them missing, really I have to answer.
Mom, please leave them.
Ha!
Mom, let us also wash our clothes.
Who the hell you are? Huh? Why are you calling me mom? Huh? Oh, it's really very funny. Girls can't help it.
Shit.
This is a great hassle.
Huh? If you feel annoyed, who told you to come here?
Hey, we can't talk with her. Please be quiet.
Oh, all are come and showing attitude.
Listen, when one gets old, this happens.
Tomorrow, maybe our condition would be worse than this.
Hey, what happened? Your bike is not moving or what? Choo, you just came to staring the girls. Choo, get lost.
Master! Master! Master,
Oh, is it you? What is it, brother?
Merlin's grandson passed away
When?
yesterday at the general hospital, Master.
Oh, he was ill for a very long time. Don't you have to go to school today?
Yeah, I have.
When will it reach from the hospital?
Body has already arrived. We have to cremate it soon.
Then what about the rites?
Everybody has already seen.
Dear, your master. Wake up, wake up.
Leave me.
He is the grandson of somebody known to me.
Huh? Is it?
What to do? We can't avoid the fate.
One, two, 3, 4. Ah.
What, master? What happened?
No, nothing happened. He was actually my son's friend. Ah, you dig the hole. I can't do it again. Fill the grave.
Sir is here. Let's go to the class.
Hey, sir has arrived.
You have been dressing up since long.
Oh,
Sharanya, come. It's time. I'm going. Sir, who is this Leon Huckart?
The scientist who invented that light travels the fastest in vacuum. Why are you late today? Take your grammar textbook. Did you write the remaining portions what was taught yesterday?
Here.
Okay, let me see.
Sir.
Next we look into the English lessons. Okay, students. Let us learn about Shakespeare today. Who is William Shakespeare? You? He was a famous drama writer. Okay? William Shakespeare was not a poet alone, but also he was a great theatre writer too. One of his famous drama. Okay, what are all the famous Shakespeare plays? Tell me.
Othello.
King Lear, Hamlet,
Macbeth,
Twelfth Night, Timing of the Shoe. Okay?
which is the important lesson in this drama, sir?
The important lesson is 7 stages.
Can you explain, sir?
Listen, my dear students. Life is a drama. We are all the actors in the stage. The entire world is a stage. Okay?
Sir, it is time.
Oh, I'm really sorry. I didn't know the time is over. Balance we'll learn tomorrow. Carry on.
Okay.
See you.
Come, dear.
He was teaching us very sincerely. You are too much. Don't act too smart. Everyone knows about you.
What? What did you understand?
Master means he is having a separate status. Better don't forget that. Mummy, what is the name of Isaac's father? Is it Philippa? I don't know, my dear. You go and ask your master. Why? You didn't go to school, Mom?
There are no limits to her wishes.
Even don't have to eat, see how she is behaving.
What they are saying, Mom?
Nothing.
Mom, today also all are calling me like that, Mom.
Why don't you walk slow? Let me see you. Even your stare makes me. Dear, don't waste your young age sleeping with that corpse eater. If you just decide, no one else will know.
You dog!
People in this village say that you're with that master. Let me tell you, I am always better than him. Why don't you leave him once for all? I will fulfill all of your needs. Shit!
Why you're feeling so
I
odd?
have a severe chest burn. Get me some water to drink.
Then how it will not be their heartburn? You will not take BP tablets also in time. Often drinking, smoking and everything. There is nothing used to say for you.
Come on, have this.
If I have this, I cannot stand by the fire. I will feel very exhausted. I've got to go to the town. If I sit here, it'll be dark when I return.
Sarasu? 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 Huh? Where's she gone? Uh? Oh my god.
See the mark on this finger. Now this is what is actually, you know.
Oh my god.
You both here only. Shoo. Anyone can do anything anytime these days. Hey you. Where is your master?
Master has gone to the town.
Where to?
He's gone to the
Oh,
town.
town. Hey you. Get me a pan to chew, okay? Okay. Okay. Stupid fellow. Here is your pan, ma'am. Hey, what? You're looking so upset. Why?
No, no.
Give me a pack of beedies.
Here, it's your money.
Then, what else news, madam?
Uh,
Here. Tell me, what are the news?
yeah. Surely I'll share to you. How can I tell you what I saw? When I came here, she has no sense of day or night.
Let her somehow live her life, madam. She's got a lot of problems.
Okay. Let's pull her for sleeping with every dudes.
Oh, no use of talking with this lady.
Phew.
Son, look here.
Hey, Anand, don't run, you'll fall down.
Okay, Mummy.
Do you know what is special today?
I do remember. Therefore, I brought him a gift. So, therefore, when I called him to give this, he just ran away.
Oh, what did you buy?
Sir,
Hi, how are you, dear? Why so late today?
I went to temple. Today is my birthday.
Oh, really? Happy birthday to you. What's this?
Birthday pudding, sir.
I should give you something as birthday gift. Have this, my birthday gift.
Where are the clothes to wash?
It's there in that room.
Mm.
Do it fast, okay?
Okay, sir.
Hi. Where are you taking the broken coconut?
One ride just got over now. I just extinguished the fire and took it. It's good for making chutney, sir.
Sir,
I'll drop you, dear.
No, sir.
Okay, just take this also along with. Don't run, be careful. Ask mom to make chutney with that.
Okay.
How is he, sir?
He'll be alright soon.
And how is he in studies?
He's smart. He'll become a great man. He will solve your difficulties.
Yeah, that is my only hope, sir.
I'll have to go to the local library. See you later. Okay, bye.
Okay, sir.
Mom? From where did you get this? Father has given. He asked me to do chutney. Who has given this?
Your father has brought you for your birthday. You know how much your father loves you?
Yes, but why he's not doing any work?
Without doing any work only, we are eating and paying fees for you. How many times I told you not to hurt your father? If I die today,
Mommy.
come.
Sir? Sir? No one is here, not even the cycle. Who knows where he gone?
Don't you have class today?
Only till afternoon.
Very long back I have seen you. Simply you came?
Oh, I went to Sir house. He is not there. Did you saw him? The house is locked.
Master, he might have gone out somewhere.
Oh.
He told somewhere he is going for the temple. Don't know exactly.
Oh, okay. I want to buy one book. Sir was drawing a picture. I wanted to know if he completed that. Isn't this Sir clothes?
Yeah, I only used to wash master's clothes.
Sir, how is he with you?
Why?
No. Then why do you wash his clothes? Tell me that.
What is wrong? He is teaching my son, no? Not only that, he is paying for washing clothes. Because of that only I am doing this. Without that, how dear, how can I join him in the English medium school?
Sir is very short-tempered.
No, master is very innocent. Okay, why are you asking all these details?
I like him very much, auntie.
What you're saying? You're a small kid, no? What you're saying is not fair, okay? He is a very senior person, understand that. Master means he is equivalent to God.
Saranya, stop there. Where are you till now?
That is, mother. I went to see sir, but couldn't I see him?
It is enough to see here, okay? No outside.
Mm.
I will see to it that you stop this Sunday outing, okay? Know that there are many other girls like you in this convent, okay? Don't spoil other girls also. Just go.
Sir? Sir? Sir?
When did you come?
Just now. Sir,
Who gave you this?
my father gave me for my birthday.
That's nice. Your father loves you so much.
Sir, I got the progress report.
48 for English, 49 for Malayalam, 46 for Hindi, 45 for Social Studies, and 50 for Maths. You have scored more than 90% for all the subjects. You should continue this and become a government official in future. Okay? And here, get the signature from your father.
No, I won't.
Your father wants to see you as a great person. He is really struggling for that. You should love and give respect to your father. You will not understand now, dear. For father and mother, there are no substitutes. Mother, father, teacher, God. Are you able to understand what I'm telling you?
Okay, sir.
Mm. 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 Go, go.
Daddy?
Sir.
Where is your master?
He's here only, sir.
An unknown dead body in the vehicle. A North Indian lady.
Oh, master. This is actually a great day today. Superb.
Nobody came to with this body.
It's some North Indian lady.
What happened to your master actually? Looking very upset.
I don't know what happened. He is not even saying anything to me.
Have you got nothing to change his mood?
I had a few pecks in the afternoon. To be honest, today he didn't have anything.
Uh-huh.
Since morning, he is brooding over something. I don't know what.
Stop blabbering and see if there is something.
Oh, yes, then what else will I do? Got it, master. Got it.
Don't yell like that.
Master, this is a lady for sure. What is this? Master, I got toe rings.
Just check if it is gold.
No, this is that. Silver. Just because it was silver, nobody touched it.
Just give that to her.
This one? Okay.
My mind is just wandering. Shall we just drink together?
That is a good idea, master.
Then first hold it.
This is real routine.
It's been a very long time we having a party like this, right?
Hey dude, your guts will get screwed up. Even otherwise, you will get a cut.
Hey, just bake this also, man.
Hey, master, now you are in a very good mood, right? Then shall I play that song?
Go ahead, man.
Oh! just get that silk cloth too, okay? Oh dear master! 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 Get up! Get up! Master! Master!
Daddy! Oh my god, what happened?
Yeah, drink some water. Yeah.
Daddy? Are you okay?
Just wait. Before that, some decision has to be taken. Only then. Anyway, Master is dead. As far as the crematorium is concerned, we have to take a decision. Since this is a traditional job, let the son continue. Because we can't close down the burial ground. He's a small child. Let him study. Graveyard will be managed by someone else. You're not the person to decide. Shut up and look after your own business. Can you do this job? Buddy, a minister's son will be a minister, and a collector's son will be a collector. The same way, the son of a graveyard keeper will be a graveyard keeper. That's a usual tradition. You come. Your ride starts now. Go.
Daddy.
Hey, give the stick to the master's successor.
I will continue with this job. Let him study and fulfill his father's desires.
Just obey my orders, okay?
Please understand, sir. Isn't he just a child? Let him study.
Hold this. I said hold this. Now start your job. You saw your fate? You have started learning your job by burning your father's pyre itself. Who else can get a fortune like this, my dear? Come on, start.
Dear, have something, please. Last 2 days you didn't have anything. If anything happens, then who will take off your son? Dear, please have this. Dear, if you're not speaking and eat anything means, will the dead one come back? What Vijayan owner said is right. This is not our traditional job, dear. When Master's papa died, he took over this job. Now, who's gonna take care? Really, I don't know what to say. Really sorry.
Your son? Where is your son?
That is what we are talking about. He is in sanitarium, sir. Shall I get a coffee for you, sir?
No, thanks. I came here to talk to you. He should not discontinue his studies. He's really an intelligent boy.
Please help me to make my son study.
Why not? Let him continue his studies till he wishes to study. I am ready to help him for any extent. His father's ambition should be fulfilled.
Because for him, I'll do my traditional job, sir.
No, please don't get him. Sit down. Okay, I'm leaving.
Take it. You drink this. Please. Have it.
No, sister, just leave it.
It's okay. Today onwards, I'll do my work.
Why are you here?
Everyone else went on a tour from school.
All right. You didn't go for the tour.
I'm not interested in all this, sir. Sir? Sir, why do you trying to avoid me?
Not at all.
No, you are trying to avoid me intentionally.
That's your feeling.
Sir, I want to tell you something, please.
Okay, tell me whatever it is.
That is... Sir, I like you very much.
Hey, what are you talking?
It's very true, sir. For me, father, mother, brother, and friend. Everything, you only, sir. It is quite long since I wanted to tell you I was in love with you. I got an opportunity only today.
But what do you know about me?
I have been seeing you since my childhood, sir.
Before your childhood, I had a past life. I was not the same person that you're seeing now.
But I love the new sir and not the old one. I like you very much, sir.
I too had a family. It was just in a moment. They all left me and went. My future life, I will live alone like this.
Then, you decided to live alone? I know everything, sir, about you. Sir, you like the mistress more than me, isn't it?
Hey, come on, fast. Complete the work. Yeah, the same place. Put some mud under that coconut tree. Yeah, the same place. Yeah. Did you listen, buddy? Now anybody can enter the master's house talking about his son's studies. I'm sure people will take advantage of this. Teaching the son as well as his mother. Lucky people having a nice time.
Were you there in this bus? I did not see you.
I didn't see you too.
Where did you go?
I went to the PSC office.
Oh.
Everyone got their hall ticket. I don't know. I didn't get mine. Sir told me to inquire about it in the office. They said they already sent it. Maybe the postal employees are delaying it.
Better tomorrow you inquire in the post office, okay?
Sister, what about your training?
Oh, there are 2 more weeks to left.
Oh.
Oh, sir. Please take your seat.
Shall I ask you something?
What is that, sir?
For the rest of my life, I have started feeling that I should have a companion for me.
You should have, sir. You need someone to help you, sir.
I'm the only one to help my mother. If I get a job, I'll leave this place. I'll surely take mother along with me.
Be cool. God will show you a path, don't worry.
Sister told me you got a marriage proposal. Is it true?
Shit, all those is not necessary.
Cha, this is what you're thinking about me, sir? Never I thought about you like this. Everyone are liking me by expecting something from me, no?
I don't expect anything from others at all. I should not be the reason for other people's sorrow.
Enough, sir. Enough. Don't know what the people thinking in their minds.
Hey, these are Sir's clothes.
What happened?
Now anybody can enter the master's house talking about his son's studies. I'm sure people will take advantage of this. Teaching the son as well as his mother.
Cha, this is what you're thinking about me, sir? Never I thought about you like this.
Sir, you like the mistress more than me, isn't it?
Eh? Sir? Sir?
Where is sir?
Yeah, he's taken to the theatre.
Sister.
How is sir?
Head injury. Surgery is over. He'll be shifted to the ICU soon.
Don't worry, dear. Pray God, everything will be all right.
Vaishnav,
Yeah, tell me.
our sir.
An injury due to the accident. There was an internal bleeding, but nothing to worry. He's got back his life, but he's gone into coma. We'll have to wait for some more time to get back our old sir.
Then, sir, treatment will prolong?
As of now, no one is required here. Once he's shifted to the ward, somebody has to accompany him.
What about some of us?
You should get permission from the school principal.
Yeah, I think it's our duty to look after our master. Okay, you can come. I'll show you the pharmacy. Come.
Mother, I'm leaving.
Look, dear, write your exams well. Pray your father well. Even though he is not there, he will be with you always. He always wished you to get the government job. You have to surely achieve that, dear.
Okay, Mother, bless me.
God bless you, my son.
Sir is in the hospital since 2 weeks. I have to get his blessings before I leave. Sister, how's Sir feeling now?
Don't you see this? This is his condition. Is there PSC exam today?
I came to take Sir's blessings.
Come. We will get our sir back. You be calm. Go and write the exam, please. You take this. Don't waste time, please. Go.
Did you go to the hospital yesterday to see the sir?
No improvement at all. The same status.
Now this is almost 2 weeks, right?
Yeah. Doctors say that this condition will continue.
Have it.
There are some people who die after lying like this for years together.
So
what to
sad.
do? Fate.
How healthy and smart he was.
Life is all about this. The air we breathe and the body that purifies.
Oh.
Sister? Sister? Sister?